This is number 53. You have cosine squared y over 1 minus sine. Okay, on top, cosine squared minus y, we're going to want to see if we can use Pythagorean's identity to turn it into something that looks like the bottom. On page 372, Pythagorean's identity says if I have sine squared plus cosine squared of the same angle, it equals 1. If I subtract sine squared from both sides, I get cosine squared of an angle equals 1 minus that same angle. Okay, in the problem, we have y. So let's go ahead and switch this to y. Again, this formula works as long as both angles are the same. So wherever we see cosine squared of an angle, we're going to put in 1 minus sine squared. Okay, so on top, we get 1 minus sine squared y. On the bottom, we still have 1 minus sine. Well, on the top, I can factor that. I can factor it just like I would factor this. X squared minus y squared would be x minus y, x plus y. So on the top, I get 1 minus sine of an angle. Oops. You know what? I'm going to run out of room here. I'll put it right underneath it. Change the color. We'll go blue. So on the top, I'll get 1 minus sine of an angle times 1 plus sine of an angle. On the bottom, I still have 1 minus sine. These two cancel. There's my answer.